shuttle, which is mga around 20 euro per person, and then parang 2 euro kapag may additional ka na luggage. Tingnan niyo yung mga houses dito. Ang cute. Yeah. So, it's day 1 in Amalfi, and we're going to Amalfi Gardens because we're attending a cooking class. So, we're gonna cook pizza, pasta, ano pa ba? Mozzarella plus tiramisu. Nakakapagod yung pataas. Puro uphill. Sabi nga ng watch ko, record outdoor walk. So, nasa sidewalk kami. Tignan nyo kung anong nilalakaran namin. Okay. So, this is 50 steps going up to the garden. Huh? We're here. Ganda. Okay.
Are you sure? Yes, sir. Straight to the kitchen because I'm a pesticide-free garden. We don't add anything. Okay. Dominic, can you say frigitelli for me?
Frigitelli.
Perfect. You want one. We usually fry them,
Bell
or stuff
pepper.
them, or slice them very finely in the salad. So 1 out of 1,000 can be spicy. Okay?
Yum.
If you don't want to eat the
So
whole fish,
fresh.
before you go to the kitchen, you can leave all your stuff and belongings on the bench.
Salute!
Please don't mind Eddie drinking too much wine, because I always say that she's not an alcoholic, she's just a traditional Italian woman. Special question I guys have for him. Please ask what either me or Eddie. What? It's very expressive though. I guess viewers. Cut the edges off, then try to get as much spice as possible.
This is the thickness.
It's gonna be our first meal. Sure.
Are you fresh?
Fresh from the Philippines. Hi!
Hi,
Her name is Eddie. Okay. Finished product. So what are you making?
You're welcome, baby.
Is that for the bruschetta?
That's for the bruschetta.
Alright. This is our head chef. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Ciao. So, lahat kami, meron kaming mga tasks. And, look at them. Yan, busy rin sila. Meron silang mga ginagawa. Yung iba zucchini, iba main dish, iba naman for the bruschetta. So, this is what I'm cooking. Smells good, grabe. Ang bango.
Personally, 5 more. What? Ask personally, 5 more.
More wine, please.
I want you to dice it, okay, to cube it very finely like that, because that's gonna go in the main course.
Ano ba yan? That's ricotta with olive oil and lemon zest. Sarap, di ba? Parang di ka kumain ng gulay.
So good. Thank you. That's it.
Hi Philippines!
Hello!
Today we're gonna learn how to clean and to stuff properly zucchini blossoms. So stay tuned. Okay. No, because
And
okay, the pollen, not
basil.
Yes.
Zucchini flowers. And then, you'll know if we remove the greens here. Tapos, okay.
I mean, I've been struggling with it for like 5 months now, so at a certain point I was like, you know, I'm just gonna call it tempura, you know, I guess that tempura, it's universal, everybody knows what tempura is, right? So that's why I call it tempura. And then,
Mia madre non lo deve sapere, non lo deve sapere, non lo deve sapere. Che scandalo da sola d'alghero.
We can try the kangkong instead of the flour. Maglalagay tayo ng ricotta cheese. Okay. Ganda. More wine.
and then we're gonna deep fry.
This is the eggplant. Yeah, this is the eggplant. And then this is the bruschetta. Hindi siya bruschetta, it's bruschetta. And more wine for everyone.
Did little bit of chili peppers, okay? But if you want more, please let me know. I'm gonna jump off a little bit and harvest a couple of them for you. Like,
We're trying this.
yes. But guys, please, I want you to eat all of them, okay? Please.
Eddie, how do you spell your name?
E-D-I.
GDI. Is it short for something?
I moved with my family in the north of Italy when I had my school days, and I was coming there in the weekend. And once I was in a like a ski. Okay, they robbed me. They robbed me. Still to this day, this thing okay rubs me in the wrong way. Deep fried eggplants, anybody? Deep fried eggplants. So, but when I was a little child, I was not a very big fan of my name, but then
For the bruschetta.
now is like this.
Yeah.
Salute, guys! Salute! Good job, guys!
So, we're done with the first part ng cooking class. So, nakita nyo naman, ang dami naming kinok. Niluto. Kinain namin lahat. And then, ngayon, magluluto kami ng gnocchi. From the plane pa lang, yung ininom namin dun, masarap na talaga. Tapos dito, masarap ulit. pagod na kaming mag-stairs. Pero look at the view, guys. Grabe. Diba? Sobrang worth the travel, the lakad, and everything.
Is that right? Okay. So, ci siamo?
Yes.
Ah, ma loro se ne è
2 minuti e dopo torno. Ma mi ha detto vai tranquillo.
Sir, that's the best tool to make gnocchi. Well, it works very well with mashed potatoes too, for example. If you don't have a ricer, you... There's
We're
gluten
making
extraction there,
gnocchi.
and the gluten extraction would be like...
Right amount for it.
That's,
Perfect.
I would say that that's some...
This size?
So you can
That's
balance
some
it.
big
Yeah.
ass gnocchi.
Yeah, that's big. I don't really have
Oh, for real?
Gnocchi.
I have to-
Gnocchi.
But what we don't, yeah, like, can we switch the...
They're ready, but I'm not gonna wait for them to float because as any other type of pasta, yeah, some perfect dice, fresh mozzarella.
But it's all only because we want to digest.
Wait for the digestion.
Thank you.
And in the top corner, you can see the QR code for the recipes.
This is Hotel San Andrea. Andrea Panza. And this is San Andrea Cathedral. And Andrea Panza again. I belong here, guys. I belong here. Iwan mo na ako dito. Uy. That's my hotel. Go here. Yan, sa ganyan tayo pwedeng bumili ng bus ticket. She bought me a bag. Super cute. Thank you so much. You too, bye-bye. It's a bag. Grazie. Ang cute ng bag. Tote bag. Pwedeng gamitin pang, ito siya. Oh, Amalfi, La Dolce Vita, Italia. Super cute. So we're done with our cooking class sa Amalfi Garden. And we had the best time. Grabe, ang sarap ng food, ang bait ng mga tao, pati yung mga kasama namin na nag-sign up for the class. And sobrang okay na experience. Kasi syempre, usual na niluluto ko is like, nagpa-pasta ako, pero like yung normal pasta lang, fake pasta. Pero ito, I was able to make a gnocchi from scratch. And nakatikim ako ng totoong limoncello na sobrang tapang. And ano pa ba? Basta masarap lahat. Yung white wine nila, sobrang sarap. And unlimited. Masaya talaga. And nandito kami sa golf cart ngayon. This is one of the most convenient transportation here in Amalfi. To take a golf cart. Kasi from there, going to Amalfi Center, 10 euros lang per person. So, kaysa maglakad na naman kami ng katulad kanina, diba? So, okay na. So, bye-bye! See you tomorrow!